Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss: how to secure your Wi-Fi network in today's digital age. Ensuring the safety of your online activities is paramount, and your Wi-Fi network plays a crucial role in this. Stick around because we've gathered the latest research and expert advice to help you fortify your Wi-Fi fortress. Before we dive into the tips, let's understand why securing your Wi-Fi network is essential. Your Wi-Fi network is like the front door to your digital life. Unsecured Wi-Fi can lead to data breaches, identity theft, and unauthorized access to your devices. Did you know that cyberattacks on home networks have been on the rise? According to recent studies, there has been a significant increase in Wi-Fi-related breaches, making it more critical than ever to protect your network. Now let's move on to our first expert tip: updating your router. Routers are the backbone of your Wi-Fi network, and outdated firmware can leave you vulnerable. Router firmware updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Check your router's manufacturer's website regularly to ensure you're running the latest firmware. Next up, let's talk about passwords. We all know the importance of strong, unique passwords for our accounts. But what about your Wi-Fi network? Use a complex and unique password for your Wi-Fi network. Avoid common passwords like 123456 or your name. A strong Wi-Fi password is your first line of defense. Here's a term you might not be familiar with: WPA3 encryption. It's the latest and most secure encryption protocol for Wi-Fi networks. WPA3 encryption provides robust protection against hacking attempts. To secure your network, ensure your router supports WPA3 and enable it in the router settings. Now, let's talk about another crucial aspect: changing default admin credentials. Most routers come with default usernames and passwords, which are easy targets for hackers. Change your router's default admin username and password. Use a strong combination of characters that includes uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Creating a guest network is an excellent practice to enhance your Wi-Fi security. A separate guest network keeps your main network safe from potential threats brought in by visitors. It's like having a VIP section for your digital guests. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, isn't just for your email or social media accounts. It can also be applied to your Wi-Fi network. Enabling 2FA adds an extra layer of security, requiring an additional verification step for anyone trying to access your network. Now, let's discuss device monitoring. Keeping an eye on the devices connected to your network can help you detect and address any unauthorized access quickly. Use available tools and apps to monitor the devices connected to your network. If you spot any unfamiliar devices, take action immediately. In our increasingly connected world, Internet of Things, devices are becoming more common. IoT are non-standard computing hardware such as sensors, actuators, or appliances that connect wirelessly to a network and can transmit data. However, they can also be entry points for cyber attacks. Change default passwords on your IoT devices and keep their firmware updated. These devices can be targets, so don't overlook their security. Perform network security audits periodically. Check for any vulnerabilities, unusual activity, or outdated settings that could compromise your network security. And there you have it, folks, expert tips on how to secure your Wi-Fi network and stay safe online. Remember, the digital world can be a dangerous place, but with the right precautions, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. By following these steps, you'll not only secure your Wi-Fi network but also gain peace of mind knowing that your online activities are protected from prying eyes. So go ahead, implement these tips and fortify your Wi-Fi fortress today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and security advice. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe online.